This right here is Einstein's theory of special relativity. E equals mc squared. Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. Why is this important? It's not. It's a concept. That is important. Chess is a game of concepts. The more concepts you know and recognize, the easier chess will become to you. See, if you want to get good at chess, you have to learn how to climb mountains. Okay, let me explain. This is you. This is your goals. You see, to get to your goals, you have to get good at navigating the different paths that lead to the top of this mountain. If you do that, you will reach your goals. Everybody's mountain is different. Some people's mountain is they're at the bottom not knowing how to play chess, but when they get to the top, they will know how to play chess. It's a small mountain. Some people are past that mountain and they are looking at a bigger mountain. They want to get really good at chess. Well, there's different paths that will get you there. To get to mastery, you have to travel all the paths, and you have to travel them more than once. You have to circle that mountain and know it inside out. Now, if you just want to win a game, you can try out a few of those paths and you will win a game. However, you will run into somebody who's been down that path and other paths, and they know the tricks of the path that you went to, so they will always have your number. They'll always beat you to the top of the mountain. The overarching concept of chess is about checkmating your opponent's king, but there are many ways to get there. There are several concepts you must learn to get there faster than your opponent. This video is dedicated to the concepts and the logic behind those concepts. This is an important thing for you to understand. Understanding concepts will make you a better chess player. Sometimes, to figure out your next move, you need to know what concept is at play at the moment. The more you recognize the pattern of a concept at play, the easier it will be to play chess. Tactics are the short-term moves that are important to know for the smaller battles of chess. Forks, pins, skewers are all tactics. We will touch on these and more in this series. Strategy is all about the long-term goals you need to lead to checkmate. Pawn chains, pawn islands, the center of the board, and the importance, and knowing what pieces to trade and when to trade are all part of strategy you need to know to get to checkmate faster. Note, you will not use all the tactics or strategies you learn in every game. You will want to know it and use what is needed for the right situation. Everything you learn is another tool in your ever-expanding toolbox. It is better to have it and not need it than to, I'm pretty sure you know the rest. We will go through a bunch of different beginner tactics and strategies in this upcoming series. They will get more advanced, and I promise to make things as clear and concise as possible. However, learning this stuff will put you miles ahead of other players. Actual miles may vary. There are several things we will talk about in this series. First, we will talk about stalemate and draw. It is important to know other outcomes of the game outside of checkmate. Next, common chess vocabulary. I will use this vocab in my videos, and if you ever decide to venture off and watch other channels, you will want to know what is being discussed. Stages of the game, specifically the opening. Get out to a great start and keep the game in your hands. The center of the board and its importance. Common checkmates. Back rank, queen and rook, 2 rooks, smothered mate, 4-move checkmates that every beginner should know. Checkmate with a king and a rook, and checkmate with a king and a queen. Plus, much, much more. If you are a beginner who just learned how to play chess and is looking forward to learning more, you're in the right place. I want you to start winning games ASAP. If you're a casual player, I want you to be a better casual player. Matter of fact, I want you to be a lot better at chess than I am. Learn from my mistakes so you don't make them. I want you to beat that person you've been trying to beat for ages, even if you just met them last week. I have a few players in my chess.com feed just like that. Most importantly, I want you to learn something and dang it, have fun. Like, chess is a super fun game. Whether you're playing online with people you don't know, whether you play online and meet somebody, whether you've been playing chess for years and you might suck at it, but you picked up a few things and now the person who taught you how to play chess, you can't stop beating them. Any and every person watching this video right now, join me. Let's climb this mountain.